Morning. So we've got workout 2 off the new plan today, and we are starting with high knees and a tuck jump. So remember, 50 seconds of each, 10-second rest. We repeat each round, and then we're done. So let's do it. We're starting off with high knees and a tuck jump. Ready? Little 5-second timer before we start. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So high knees and then a tuck. So both knees up and then together. Try and get them as high as you can. Halfway there. More seconds. Alright, and then we have got squat and kick, so we're literally just going to squat down as low as we can and then kick our leg up in front. So we're going to do that for 50 seconds, swap legs each time. Ready, squat, kick. Squat, kick. So take your leg up as high as you can. 20 more seconds. As many reps as we can. 10 more seconds. Alright, and then in and out jump, so pop your band on. And we're jumping our legs in and out. Let's go. As you jump out, go down into a squat. Keep it going. 10 more seconds. And then we have got burpees. So take it to the floor, jump it up. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Five more seconds, halfway there. All right, and then back into our high knees and tuck jump. So high knees and a tuck. Ready, let's go. High knees and a tuck jump. Halfway there. 15 more seconds. got our squat and kick, so squat down, kick your leg up in front. Ready, let's go. Squat, kick. Kick as high as you can. Keep your weight in your heels on the squat and sit back and down. Halfway there, 25 more seconds. Fifteen more seconds. All right, and then in and out jumps, pop your band on. Ready, let's go. Halfway there, 25 more seconds. All right, and then into burpees. Last jumpy exercise, and then we're on to our legs. Ready, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Alright, and then we've got abduction squats, not sitting down. So pop your band on. We're going to go down to the bottom of the squat, pull our knees in and out twice, and then back up to the top. Let's go. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. And then we've got glute bridge and abduction, so up to the top, knees apart. Ready? If you don't have a band, just go up and down. If you've got a band, go up, pull your knees apart and back down. Fifteen more seconds. Alright, and then we have got curtsy squats and leg raises. So 25 seconds each side. Curtsy behind, lift your leg up and out to the side. Ready, so curtsy and lift your leg. And swap onto the other leg, curtsy and lift. And now we've got fire hydrant, so onto our knees, take your leg out to the side. 25 seconds on each leg. Ready, and let's go. And the other side. And back up to the squats. So remember, knees in and out twice. Squat, and then knees in and out twice. Squat. Ready? Let's go. Down to the bottom, knees in and out. Up. Halfway there. And then into our glute bridges again. So up to the top, knees apart if you've got a band. If you don't have a band, just keep doing your normal glute bridges. So feet apart, weight in your heels, up and squeeze, knees apart. Almost touch the floor each time, but not quite. Ten more seconds. Perfect, and then we have got curtsy squat and leg raises. So curtsy, leg up, 25 seconds each side. Let's go, curtsy, leg to the side. And the other side. And then down into our fire hydrants. So onto your knees. 25 seconds each side of these, ready? Let's go. And the other side. Alright, band off, we're going on to upper body, so we're going to do worms first. So we're just crawling all the way out to a high plank and all the way back up. Let's go. Crawl all the way out, high plank, and all the way back up. Make sure you get your hips down into the high plank position and then back up. Halfway there. Keep it going. And then we've got lying opposite toe reaches. So we're going to do our leg raises and reach to the opposite toe. Ready? Let's go. Reach up to that opposite side. And then we have got plank climb, so into your plank climbing up and down. And then we have got tricep dips and opposite toe reaches. So fingers facing you, push your hips up, bend at your elbows, and we're just going to tap our opposite feet. Let's go. So bend at your elbows, tap, tap, bend, tap, tap. If you find these really hard, do the dips off something. So like get a chair, put your hands over the edge, and bend your elbows down. Halfway there. we have got our worms again. Ready? Let's go crawl it out. Back to the top. To the top. Ten more seconds. Alright, and then we've got our lion leg raise with opposite toe reach. So onto our back, leg up, reach for the opposite foot. Ready? Let's go. And then we have got our plank climb. So onto the front, hair plank, down to your elbows. And then last lot of upper body, tricep dips and toe touches, so fingers facing you. Remember, make sure your hips are up enough so you've got enough space to go down. Bend at your elbows, tap and tap. Bend. Twenty more seconds. Alright, and then we have got lion leg raises, so we're onto our abs. So lying it back, just leg raises, so don't touch the floor in between. Keep your lower back in the floor. Keep it going, legs up. And then we have got a plank with hip twist, so we're going into a low plank and you're going to be pushing your hips to either side Ready. More seconds. And then we got V crunches. So tucking into the middle, feet off, tilt your body back. Ready, let's go. Halfway there. And then we have got heel tap, so crunching up, reaching around to each heel. Let's go, crunch and reach. Alright, and then back to our leg raises. We've just got one more round of the abs. So leg raises, 3, 2, 1, let's go. And then we have got our plank with our hip tilt. So into your plank, hip side to side, ready, let's go. And then we've got V crunches, so legs up, crunch in the middle. 3, 2, 1, let's go. halfway there. "15 more seconds. Ooh, 3, 2, and 1. All right, and then we're crunching up and we're reaching to each heel. So crunch up as high as you can. Heel taps, last exercise. Let's go. Whew. And there we go, we're all done. Smashed it. So legs out in front, just reach forward over them, stretch out your hamstrings. Bottoms of your feet together, lean forward over it. Cross one leg over the top, turn the other way. And the other side. And then hips into the floor. Sit back to your heels. Pull one arm across. And the other side. Up and over. And the other side. There we go.